Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on unit conversion. Today we have a very sensitive and practical problems. We have here that in the market, goods are marked either in pounds or in kilogram. There are two butchers mark their meat. The first one marked his meat at 4 naira, 4.84 naira 85 kobo per pounds, and the other one 9 naira kilogram respectively. On going to the market, we met an old woman who was confused on which meat to buy. Question is, please advise. How would you advise this woman? Now let's see what we have here. We have that by conversion factor solution, we have that 1 kilogram is equals to 2.2046 pounds. If you watch my previous video, I believe that you're familiar with this value. Now, as for the meat, the first one is 4.85 kobo, 4.85 kobo per pounds multiplied by 2.2046 pounds per kilogram. Now this pounds will cancel this pounds. 4.85 naira multiplied by 2.2046 divided by 1, you will have 10 naira point 69 per kilogram. That's 69 per kilogram. This is simple answer. So that means that if you buy the one of 4.85 kobo per pounds, it will be more expensive than the one of 9 naira per kilogram. So as you can see, anybody that will advise the woman to buy the one of 4.85 kobo per pounds would have advised her to buy the one of the higher price, because without being converted, after conversion it looks cheaper. But remember the values that are attached to it. It's just like you say 100 naira and $10. They are quite a different thing. So that is it. Thanks for watching and look out for more problem solutions. Bye.